Let me show you how to set up and also launch your Gemini Assistant on your Google Pixel 10a. So first, if you simply click and hold your power button for like maybe 2 seconds, it will launch the Gemini automatically. So you can ask it some questions straight away. So if it doesn't work, if you press your power button, nothing happens. You can simply also go in the Play Store and search for the Gemini in the search and make sure you have it installed. Then also we can even summon this Gemini using our voice as well. So, but we have to enable it. It's not on by default. We have to basically in our apps list find the Google app. And over here click settings and click on the Gemini. And okay, talk to Gemini hands-free. And make sure to enable this. Yep. Also, we have to like train our voice as well for it. So agree. Okay, Google, help me write a thank you note. Okay, Google, what's the weather tomorrow? So simply say these things. Hey Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Okay, and should be done now. We can skip this, don't need that. So, and at any time, basically simply say, hey Google. Hey Google. Yep. Set timer for 5 minutes.
I've set a timer for 5 minutes.
So you see,
it will go up.
You can ask to do some things as well. And then also for the Gemini, so if you launch it, you can also enter the live mode. So apologies. So you see, you simply click that thing on the very right corner, and then you can talk in the live mode. Hey, what's up?
Not much, just hanging out. What's going on with you?
Tell me the most stupid joke you can imagine.
Why did the Scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. Get it?
Okay, yep. Also, you see, you can also switch to the text mode here as well, and also check this. You can also enable the camera mode here as well and ask it some questions that way. Hey, do you know what this flower is?
That appears to be a water lily. It has the classic white petals and a green pad. Is there anything specific you'd like to know about it?
Do you think it's real or fake?
Based on the texture and slight uniformity, I'd say it's likely a very nice artificial water lily.
Okay.
Real petals tend to have a more delicate and irregular structure.
Yep, so you see, absolutely awesome. Good luck.